Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Let's Mix TV again. Ang iyong lingkod. Ayan. So, meron tayong pag-aaral na kanta guys, no? Ang kanta na to ay kanta ni Kenny Loggins. Title ng ating kanta ay Danny Song. Ayan. Ito yung live from the Grand Canyon 1992. So, pinaiksi lang nila guys, no? Kung ma-research nyo yung live concert nila sa Grand Canyon ay pinaikli lang nila ang pagkanta nito. Bale yung verse 1 at yung verse 4 at yung chorus lang ay yung ang kinanta nila. So ito yung pag-aaralan natin ngayong gabi. So easy ang chords at madaling sundan. So yung strumming hindi ko na ituturo dahil depende na sa inyo yan guys kung paano nyo i-strum yung gitara nyo. So napaka easy ng chords. Lahat ito ay popular na chords. May lyrics at chords akong ilalagay dyan. D, yan, napaka popular na chords yan. C, B minor at A7 at E. Yan, napaka simple lang ang chords, no? Verse 1, D, intro verse. People smile and tell me I'm their lucky. We just begun. Think I'm gonna have a son. He will be like she and me, yes, praise down. Consider love. Sun's gonna shine upon. Ayon yung verse. Yan. So, alam nyo na, putol-putol ang tirada natin. So, chorus, ayan. Even though we ain't got money, I'm so in love with you, honey. Everything will bring a chance of love. Oh. In the morning when I rise, bring a tear of joy to my eyes and tell me everything's gonna be alright. Yon, chorus. Napaka-easy ng chords, no? Diba? So, verse 4, rekta. Nagrekta kasi sila sa verse 4. Hindi sila dumaan ng 2 at 3. Pinaiksi nga ang kantang to, no? So, verse 4. Let the girl hold the words in a paper cup. So come on and drink it up. Love her and she bring it love. And if you find she have her mind, I better take her home. Don't you live alone. Try to earn what lover's song. Ulit na naman sa chorus, tapos mag-i-ending. Even though we ain't got money, I'm so in love with you, honey. Everything will bring chains of love. Oh. In the morning when I rise, you bring a tear of joy to my eyes and tell me everything's gonna be alright. Instrumental ending. Yan. So, salamat sa panonood ng aking mga video guys. So, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at isang like naman dyan. Bye bye.